everyone, welcome back to the PG Keens. We're here in beautiful Oahu, Hawaii, and today we're off to visit Waimea Valley and the Toa Luau. Let's go!
Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. I know man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all.
As you can tell by our video, the walk-up path to the waterfall is paved, which makes it accessible for strollers and wheelchairs as well. They also rent wagons for $10, and there's also a tram you can take if you're interested in that. I believe it's $10 each way. Along the path is the world-class botanical gardens and historical sites, and there's also little offshoots of the trail that you can go and venture off. We didn't realize this when we went, but there are two complimentary tours that you can take, the What's Blooming Botanical Tour and the History Walk, which both start at the ticket booth.
There's a snack bar and a shuttle and a bathroom. There's restaurants. 2, 3 restaurants. Wow! There's hand sanitizer.
I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. 'Cause I found my way.
There it is.
'Cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way. My way. My way. My way.
How is it? Like ice. If looking to swim in the waterfall, it's important to note that lifeguards will look at the daily waterfall conditions and make the call at 9 a.m. whether swimming will be allowed that day.
Look at Daddy. Let's get soaked. Oh, there is a current.
I know. Oh man, it's really hard.
Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. I know man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt.
Look to the wall.
Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way.
Go grab her
I
up.
was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. 'Cause I found my way. I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay.
What do you think about going in the waterfall?
Cold.
It wasn't fun?
It was fun.
As you probably noticed, everyone in the video is wearing life jackets. As part of your admission to Waimea Valley, you will be giving a life jacket if you would like to swim in the waterfall. Hello, this is post-trip Cynthia, and I just want to pop on here for a minute before we go into our section about the luau and just tell you a couple of things about the luau. Before we headed to Hawaii, I wasn't sure whether we would do the luau or not. I knew it would be one of the priciest things that we might do in Hawaii if we chose to do it, and I talked to a couple of different people and I was just indifferent about whether we wanted to do it. I knew I wanted to do it, I just didn't know if I wanted to spend that much money on it. But once we got there, we decided that this might be the only time we ever go to Hawaii. So we did want to do the luau for the children to experience it. And so we started researching, and I would definitely not recommend to do as we did and wait till the last minute. I would definitely recommend once you decide to do the luau to do your research and pick which luau is best for you. I will say we went to the Toa Luau and it was fantastic. We really felt like we got our money's worth, and we actually had the highest tier tickets just because we waited till the last minute, and those were the only ones that we could get. So we were able to sit right up front. But I will say that it seemed like every seat in the house was a great seat. So if you choose to go to that luau, the front seats are fantastic because you get that front row view and the kids aren't blocked at all. But at the same time, you can sit in the other sections and you will still feel it's very intimate and close, and it's not like a huge luau. So we really enjoyed that aspect of it. The other thing, if you choose to go to the Tao Luau, I always say it wrong, Toa Luau, you, at the beginning, when you first get there, they have several different activities that you can participate in, and you'll see that we did 2 of those activities. We did this one where you could learn to do this activity that the dancers do, and then my daughter did where you can make the headdress. And they have about 4 or 5 different activities during that time, and we didn't realize it was going to go so fast. It's only about 15 or 20 minutes that they have those activities open. So our suggestion is to be sure to go to the one that you want to do the most first, to be sure that you get to do that activity that you want to do. Also, a part of the Toa Luau is that you get into Waimea Valley free, which is the part that you just watched with us swimming in the waterfall. So that comes along with the luau. So we really enjoyed that as well. So we just did that all in the same day because it's all up in the North Shore. So that's it. All right, let's go watch the luau. I think you have to have 2. You have to have 2. Yep, I think. I don't know, ours don't look like that.
Aina and Malihini cousins, that's who you want to be family with tonight. They will buy you more drink tickets. Well, families and friends, again, my family and I would like to welcome you to Toa Luau here in the beautiful Waimea Valley. I would actually like to share with you some historical facts about this beautiful place that we all are standing in tonight. Again, this is Waimea Valley, otherwise known as Valley of the Priests. You see, everyone say, ooh.
welcome to covering your umu, everyone.
She's doing the hula.
Friends, the Toa Luau family would like to take you on a journey through the Polynesian lands. The Polynesian people were voyagers who traveled through the ocean only using the stars, the sun.
for joining us today as we visited Waimea Valley and the Toa Luau. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe button for more videos on Hawaii and other family-friendly destinations. Stay peachy.